All right. So, sorry we got cut out at 59 minutes. So, we are just going to come back and close. Hi, Liana. Hi, Pama Amu. Yeah, so we're just waiting for Reshmi to come back and we're just. Hi, Preeti. Hi, Nomad's Diary. I know who you are. Ruba, hi. Hi. Preeti, Bala, Shri, Miracle, FDO, Zental Mama, hi. Sarancha, hi. So I hope you hi. You've enjoyed our conversation. We were talking about hi Preeti. We were talking about our curly hair and sort of coming home to our curly hair among other things. So let me just bring Reshmi back.
Okay.
I didn't realize usually Insta gives you like a 30-second countdown timer before it or 1 minute or something. So then I thought,
Yeah.
okay, we've got enough time.
I was
But
also
we
like,
would,
okay, I don't know. I know that it ends, but I thought, okay, you will know, right? I can't
yeah,
see any time on my screen.
yes,
So,
yeah, yeah. No, I was keeping track of it, and then we started the curly hair discussion, and it just, yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ah,
All right.
yeah.
But it's been
Hi.
good.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yes.
So many
So
things.
thank you so much. I think this was enlightening at so many levels, and I think it's good to bring this to everybody that needs it, right? So I think we spoke about a lot of
Hmm. A lot of things, yes.
aspects. Yes, yeah. So
And I've
if you had,
enjoyed it. I've enjoyed it. It's always good just, talking to you about all of these things.
yeah. So if you had to like sort of, if you had to leave the audience with like a couple of things to think about, what would those be?
Uh, well, one of the things that I feel like the COVID has helped with is, many of us, like, including me, have been quite stuck up with, no, no, we will do only face-to-face therapy and all of that. And, because it's just harder, and why
Yes.
should I? I have enough clients coming face-to-face.
Yes.
And now this online thing, really, I realized that it was my privilege that I was going about it like that, because that actually
Mhm.
excludes so many people who live in,
Mhm.
various small places in India, where there is
Yes.
Wi-Fi, but there's no way to access mental health support,
Mm.
or even for, people who are disabled, right? They
Correct.
cannot travel,
Yes.
and many
Mm-hmm.
of the clinics or, places are not disabled
Yes.
friendly. So
Yes.
all of these things. So actually now therapy is more accessible because a lot of people are working on. I mean, not a lot. Everybody is working online.
Yes.
So
Mm-hmm.
I would suggest that please make use of it and go for therapy.
Yes.
I'm like a big, I will say it as many times as is required. Any form is fine, but it's a journey in itself because it will take
Mhm.
a few tries to get the therapist that you want to work with.
Yes.
Because for me as well, when I had to find my therapist, it took
Mm.
a year to find somebody, because of
Mm.
course my
Mm.
situation is different because I know a lot of people in the field, so it was difficult to
Mm.
find someone I don't know.
Mm.
But I had to, like, but the day that you decide to go for therapy,
Mm.
your therapy begins. Is somebody, a supervisor of mine has said that to me, so that helped. That, okay, so when
Mm.
you decide to go for therapy itself, your therapy starts, and
Mm.
then it's just a matter of when you go,
Yes.
and when you find that out. And I hope by listening to all of this, all of you have felt that therapy is not so, place where you be diagnosed. And if that is the case,
Mm.
then please don't go for something like that. Like, choose your therapist wisely, somebody who is able to listen to you, but also is able to challenge you in some ways. Some of the things that you're thinking is able to challenge you, and so supportive is good, but it's also about the other end of it, that where you're
Yes.
also able to be angry and upset in the session.
Mm.
Um, and it's not always about getting out of therapy feeling good. So it needs to be a person who you feel safe with. Yeah. And these are all some of the things that people think that therapy is supposed to make me feel good. It's supposed to be short term, or whatever. But there are many kinds, and just to think about it in terms of, I feel at least for women, it will be that you will find your voice.
Yes.
Yeah, and it gives you because somebody is hearing. So if nobody
Yes.
is hearing, there's no need for voice. So
Yes.
when we have that one person or group of people who are listening, then it doesn't matter out in the world if somebody listens or not, you will speak. So I hope that that has come through in this session with you,
Yeah,
Sangeeta.
absolutely. And also, I think if you feel judged or shamed in a therapeutic relationship, then that is also a point where you should feel free to kind of walk out of it and seek something else. And even that act of speaking up or not showing up and choosing somebody else, sometimes it's empowering, right? Like, not to say that you should keep on going through that process, right? But I'm saying that even if it is unfortunately trial and error, and it may not be that the first therapist that you see will actually work. It might need a bit of kind of shopping around, right? Just like women in doctor, like for pregnancy and doctors, that's what we say, right? Like, do that shopping bit seriously and take some time to do it, because it's an important relationship, right? So maybe slow down and take some time to get to that place, knowing that that goalpost can also change, right? I mean, somebody can work, you will work out for a year or something, and then maybe after that you might have other things that might come up where you might need somebody else to work with. That's fine.
Yeah,
um
exactly.
yeah.
Exactly. So yeah, but just begin the process, in whatever form.
Yes.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah. Thank you so much. This was great. I think to kind of bring the work that you do out as well. I think it's so important. Lots of people, I think, would benefit from this. So I'm going to share the poster. Reshmi's got some group sessions starting very soon. So please make use of it. And thanks, Reshmi.
Yeah, thank you, Sangeeta, for your support. And I hope we can do more of this. I think we left the curly
Yes.
hair thing halfway, so we can do that someday.
We should do a whole hour on just the curly hair, I think.
Yeah.
All right. You take
All
care.
right. Yeah.